Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some color contacts that I received in a giveaway from TTDEYE. Stay tuned. So I received two pair of contacts in the color Polar Lights Brown, as you can see here, and then also Polar Lights Green. What I did before using the contacts is putting them in some contact solution and letting them sit overnight for about 24 hours before using the contacts. Now I do wear glasses and contacts, so these color contacts were sent to me with my prescription, which I gave to the company. So that was a definite plus. Okay, so I'm going to be trying the Polar Lights Brown 2 first. So as you can see, my normal eye color is a medium brown color. So here is the Polar Lights Brown 2. So I'm taking it out of the contact solution, and the application was very easy. I applied it to my eyeball and then just moved my eye around until the contact went into place. And again, these color contacts do have my prescription in them, so I could see very clearly out of them. So the Polar Lights Brown 2 color is giving me like a hazel feel to it. Definitely loving these. Okay, so now we are going to try Polar Lights Green 2, and I must say that this one is my favorite color. I don't know, let me know in the comment section below which color you guys like the best, the Polar Lights Brown 2 or the Polar Lights Green 2. The transformation from my dark brown eyes to this green was just so crazy to me. Definitely loving these color contacts, and I'm gonna have to try some more colors. So let me know in the comments below, have you tried color contacts? Or if not, what color contacts would you try? I do have a discount code for these color contacts, so if you do want to try them out, make sure that you check the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.